Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be going over ChatGPT and email marketing. If you need help writing emails, ChatGPT can do that for you as well, and I'm going to show you here. In the previous video, I showed you how to create email subject lines, which is very easy. Now we're going on to the meat and potatoes of the actual email, the good stuff. I do want to let you know that they are currently experiencing exceptionally high demand. This has been going on for a few days now. It says, please hang tight as we work on scaling our system. So if you have trouble logging in or using it, that's going to be the reason why. So when it comes to ChatGPT, you're pretty much just telling it exactly what you're looking for. And I give it a little bit of information. We can always add more. We can always edit. We can always add to it if needed. So I said, write an email about the benefits of using YouTube for marketing and offer a link where some subscribers can purchase a book on Amazon called The YT Marketing Factor. I just made that up. Usually when it comes to email marketing for a reason, right? There's some type of link that you want to send out, whether it's a video, a book, a course, training, whatever it's going to be. Let's click on this button and see what we get though. All right, so how cool is this? I don't really need to edit anything. Obviously, the more information you have about the email you're going to be writing, the easier it is going to be to edit it and change things around. With this being an example, it's going to be pretty broad, but let's look at this together. It will come with the subject line, so maximize your marketing efforts with YouTube. You can always change that around or look at my previous video and show you how to create some subject lines that you can use. So YouTube is a powerful tool for marketing. It can help you reach a wide audience and boost your brand's visibility. With over 2 billion monthly active users and a wide range of features, YouTube is a platform that can help you achieve your marketing goals. Some of the benefits of using YouTube for marketing include you can reach a large audience, it's cost effective, targeted advertising, engage with your audience. You can read the rest of that if you want. Feel free to pause, but I'll continue on. And here's pretty much where the call to action is going to be, or just talking about that book on Amazon. If you're interested in learning more about how to use YouTube for marketing, we recommend checking out the book, The YT Marketing Factor by whoever the author is. This book is a comprehensive guide that covers everything from creating a YouTube channel to creating engaging content and running effective campaigns. You can purchase the book on Amazon using this link. Obviously, that's where your link is going to go. Best regards, your name. And overall, this is pretty good if you ask me. There are going to be ways we can actually make this longer if you need it. Obviously, if you want to make it shorter, you can cut out some of the benefits and some of the things they talk about. But let's just do this. Okay, so what I put is give me more benefits of using YouTube for marketing. So say we want to expand upon this, or maybe like reach a large audience is kind of just okay for a benefit. Maybe we want something more. Let's see what we get here. All right, so we got plenty more. And what I did is decide to copy the original here. And what I want to do is copy these as well. So I'm going to copy this. And let's see, some of the benefits include, this is where the benefits started previously. So what I can do is add these in right here. And if you'll notice, we have a much longer email now because of that. So what we can do is go through and look at some of these benefits. So for example, I'm just going to bold this so that you know the benefits are going to be under that. There's our subject line. You don't even have to put deer in there if you don't want. It's up to you. But reach a large audience, like most people know that. Cost effective, that's cool. Targeted advertising, engage with your audience, brand awareness, increase website traffic, measurable results. Say we don't like that one. Video, SEO, like, yeah, we know about that, but is it really a huge benefit just to say that? Building trust and credibility, building a community, creating viral content. I guess that could be something good if people want to go that way. Cost effective, I believe that's a repeat, so we can actually do that. And just like that, that's just a way of expanding upon the email we have. Like, I'm not saying it needs to be much longer that way. Obviously your name, whatever it's going to be. And this can be our link here. Like, this would be linked to the Amazon book, wherever you need to go, of course, right there. Obviously, this is just Google Drive. You would do that in your email marketing platform, but that's an example about how you can use ChatGPT to create emails. If you want to extend them, you can do that. You could probably just go back and give me like an intro for an email about maximizing your marketing efforts. In case you want something a little bit longer, maybe a little bit shorter or a little bit different, but you pretty much go in there, pick these specific sections that you'd want to edit or add more to, and then just simply go back into ChatGPT and be like, yo, write more about this section. And it'll be like, okay, got it. 1 second. Okay. In a nutshell, that's how you can use ChatGPT for your email marketing, specifically for like email broadcast, where if you just want to send one email out to everyone. You can use it for autoresponders as well. I would say if you're going that route, make sure you have an idea of what your emails want to look like. Usually they're kind of done systematically, like where the first one's a value email, second one is like a pre-sale email, and the third one could be a launch, or maybe you want to repeat a process like that. That's going to be up to you. Hope you got some value out of this. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. My name is James. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.